rectifier, I'd only use cycle electric when you're replacing it, but you'll at least need your crankcase gasket 11125 there. You want your primary gasket, FLT, and then for Dyna and Softail. And then you really want to replace this anytime you're in there, just because this bearing can start screaming at any time when you're on the road. Just a part for that one. And once you get that off and that race, you'll need a special tool, but you'll want to replace it with a 25mm sealed double row, so you never have to worry about it again. Jim's 8960. And while you have all that off there, you'll definitely want to replace your main seal. Goes behind that transmission sprocket and the quad seal while you have it off, so because these can start leaking at any time. So you might as well replace OEM 12045. There's a metal one by James, or there's just their standard rubber, so pick your poison.
This job's definitely not all sunshine and rainbows. You will need the race puller and also your primary cover bearing puller, and then along with your main seal. And if anything was helpful, just give a like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.